to reset Plus500 demo account. Plus500 is an online trading platform that lets you trade CFDs on assets like stocks, forex, crypto, and commodities. It's user-friendly, available in many countries, and regulated by major financial authorities. It offers both real and demo accounts for practice and live trading. Need a fresh start with your Plus500 demo account? Resetting it is quick and easy, perfect if you want to practice trading with a clean slate. Plus500 offers a demo mode to help you trade risk-free. But if your virtual funds run low or you just want to restart, here's how. First, open the Plus500 app or website and log in to your account. Next, switch to Demo Mode from the left bottom menu if you're not already in it. Now, look for the I button and click here. Now click Demo Funds. Then enter your amount, highest $50,000. Click Submit and confirm the reset, and your demo balance will be restored to its original amount instantly. You can reset the demo as often as you like, giving you unlimited practice. Thanks for watching.